And now we have Blue Thunder that has arrived.
Hey guys, alright, so today what we're doing on Blue Thunder, we are putting in strut tower reinforcements or gussets. These ones are made by NERP Tech. We actually make these as well, we just didn't have any in stock and I was too lazy to make some, so Duarte ordered me some. These ones you have to do a little bit of finagling with it. It comes as a flat plate, but the way these are shaped, you actually have to tilt these down at about an 8-degree angle just so it will sit flush onto the chassis and then down onto here. And you also have to grind these ones just a little bit on the points just so you get full contact on the strut tower itself. But we're going to tack these in place and it'll give us a little bit more structure in the front end of the car.
Chris, what are you doing?
Putting these little things together so we can mount this wang.
What do things do?
The things do, I will show you what the things do. We're going on a journey, follow me. So, when you put your wing on, however it sits on here, these little things, you tape them down into place, and then you can remove the wing, just like that. And then wherever this is mounted, you have a pilot hole ready to drill through. It's a pretty good idea, but you know, we got some curves here we're gonna have to figure out. And then you stop dropping everything too. So bad. What's up, guys? So we've been battling it out with Blue Thunder. We walked into this big electrical nightmare here on the front end of the car. This was, at some point, everything that controlled your turn signals, your condenser fan, high beams, low beams, all the stuff that runs basically through the front end of the car that gets fed through the fuse box there in the engine bay. So this had a bunch of burned wires, split wires. Somebody wired up HID kits, LED kits, all kinds of things like that. So we needed to actually patch in here to make sure everything would work properly. So what we did is we went to the junkyard and we chopped ourselves out a whole front portion harness here, which is, I've seen much better shape, as you can see here. So we patched it in here. We did convert everything. It was from an OBD2 car, and this is originally an OBD1 car. So we did have to change a few wires and modify a few things, but now that everything works properly, even our fuel pump primes, high beams, low beams, turn signals, condenser fan kicks on with the AC on, everything works now. So Andrew, give me a little demo.
All right.
Headlights on.
Here's headlights.
Key on. Oh.
Those are brights.
High beams, low beams. We don't have a turn signal bulb for this side, but give me the right turn signal. Right turn signal works. All that fun stuff. So a solid, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours of wiring later, and we got everything working. Happy.
With Andrew?
Our in-house electrician did all our wiring and the lights and stuff like that inside the shop. Helped me out getting all this stuff and figuring out all the wiring, helping me test leads on stuff. It's a good man right there. It's a good man.
That's me. A good man. And my beautiful face. And all this beautiful lights. So Joel can have his fancy camera working just crisp with all this great lighting. And now we have a working chassis harness for this beautiful E36. And I'm one proud man.